How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign out from YouTube account from all the other devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, at the top you can see the option labeled as Google account. So simply tap on it. And now here, on the new page, you simply can see different tab at the top. So here simply swipe through the tab and just tap on security tab. And now here, under the security tab, you simply have to scroll down until you find the option called your devices. And here, once you found it, under that option you simply have to tap on manage all devices. And now here you'll see all the devices that are currently signed in with your Google account. So choose the one that you want to log out from, and here once you have found it, just tap sign out and confirm again by tapping sign out when prompted. You can repeat the same step for any other devices that you want to remove access from, and if you want to sign out from all the session, you can just go back and select secure your account and follow the steps to remove your account everywhere. And that's it. That's how you can sign out your YouTube account from all other devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.